I've got two packages here that I want to go ahead and open up and show you guys. I've been waiting for these for a little while. I'm very, very excited to show you what I have. So there's one there and there's one there. I thought I would share what this is with everybody. I'm very excited to see these. From what I saw of them on pictures, that they were pretty amazing. I am hoping that they are as nice as the pictures appeared to make them look. Staples are like teeth of a piranha. Jeez. One thing I like to see how things get packaged. Now, this is something that I have not seen on anybody else's GR Corolla. This is a kit from a company called Maxton Designs, or Maxton, because as far as I know, this is the first one that they have shipped. Okay. These are the side skirt pieces. So this is what you're going to see. They're wrapped. There's some plastic wrap on them to protect them in shipping. So that's nice. So this part will go up under the skirt. And this is what you're going to see. There's a nice little bend right here, as well as on this side right here. It's got their little logo. Now, they have 3 different designs for the GR Corolla, which is pretty cool. And I'm not just talking about all 3 come in a completely different design. There's one with winglets. This is going to have the front lip and the rear pieces. Oh yeah. Those are the rear spats. So we got our front lip. I did go back and forth trying to figure out what lip I wanted to try out. There we go. So this here is the front lip. I'll get the camera and give a little closer up look of all of these pieces for you. So don't fret. I really liked the front lip on this. I don't think that any of the designs were bad in any way. I did go back and forth though. There were 2 of the 3 designs I was really hemming and hawing about. This is what's kind of cool. So this is the rear spat. What I like about this, it goes into the middle piece too. So if you can envision that, and then this, they both go up, and they kind of, the middle pipe for the exhaust is between the 2 of them. I think that's going to look really good. And then you've got those little guys on the bottom to give it a little more flair too on the back. I think it's going to look really good. I really liked the rear spats on the EOS kit, and this kind of, I think is going to be a good looking rear spat like that, but then it's going to extend and kind of come into the middle on both of these. So I'm surprised more companies haven't done something like this. I'm very excited to get these on my car. So that I'll have to move this to the head of the line, I think. I have on mine right now, I have the Super Auto USA lip kit on mine. They sent me that one to try out too. I got a lot of compliments that at Toyota Fest. So theirs looks much better on the car than it does in pictures. And people see it and ask me, I mean, I've been asked dozens and dozens of times about who made that lip kit. So, but this is the initial unboxing and unveiling of this. So I wanted to show everybody what it was. Here, I'll give you a little closer shot of some of the detail that you can see. So this is the front. This will be up by the door, the front wheel well. And then this is the look toward the back. Here's the front lip. Nicely contoured here. Got the little logo, Maxton design. And wrap around. And it's nothing crazy. And that's what I think I liked about this, is it looked nice and clean. And then let me whip one of these around so you'll see it from the angle that you'll see it. So this is what will be right up by the rear tire, and then wrapping around, and that's what you're going to see. And then you'll see that little bit too, which I think is a nice touch. So anyway, so this is what the kit looks like. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys so you can check this out, as well as the other versions. Let me know what you think from at least the initial unveiling, and we'll get some more opinions once it's on the car. So I'm going to have to move this up pretty quick. I want to get this on and see what it looks like. And in the meantime, like, share. I really want to hear comments. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.